Hello mga kasweetlands! Good afternoon po sa ating lahat! And welcome to Kasweetlands channel. Charot! So mga kasweetlands, galing nga ako ngayon ng Peterborough dahil nakatanggap ako ng email galing sa Nissan. Kagandahan nito is we didn't pay for this. And yeah, the thing that you need to do is you just have to comply. So, buti nga na lang at nagkaroon ako ng spare time today. Actually, sinord yung road ako para ma-attend ko tong appointment na to. So, upon checking, ang sabi nila, it might take this appointment for 4 to 5 hours. So, nag-expect ako na baka 3 p.m. na ako matatapos. And then, okay, fine. In-adjust yung route ako sa work. So, para matulungan ito. So, pagdating ko doon, in-interview naman ako sa reception. And then, kinuha yung car key, chinek yung sasakyan, and that's it. It's all finished. Sabi ko, yun lang yun. So, oh my God, parang nasayang yung oras ko. But the thing is, okay na din kasi nagkaroon ako ng time para bumili ng something para sa gift ni Andre. So, pumunta lang ako ng Tiki Maxx. And then, bumili ako ng few bits for our upcoming holiday. And then, after my drive, once I get back home, pupunta ako magpapa-nails. And I'm so excited kasi this is gonna be my first time to do my nails ever since I asked my colleague, si Corinne, but unfortunately, she do have a shift today and even tomorrow. So, conflict yung schedule namin. So, sabi ko, okay, fine. Since siguro it's gonna be my first time to do my nails and gusto ko, sabi ni Ate Aiden, maganda daw yung acrylic. So, I'm gonna try it. And I'm so excited. Actually, I'm rushing to go home and hopefully my appointment, hopefully my vacancy sa nail salon na gusto kong puntahan. So, yun lang. And yes, at least we know that our car is working fine. And the thing is, we're gonna be driving in a couple of days, going to Stansted and for our upcoming holiday to Europe. And I'm so excited for this holiday, mga kasweetlangs. Yeah! Okay, mga kasweetlangs. And that's all for today's video. Bye, mga kasweetlangs!